Okay, this is part 34. It's called The Solar Corona is the Source of Light and Heat. Now, when I went back to the Marduk 4 and I looked at this Break for News topic where I had all that data that came up, I started going through the data this time and looking to see anything that was interesting. So, back in 2002, they were stumped about what was causing the heating of the corona, and now in 2011, they figured it out. So again, this is just to show how fast our technology is increasing here on Earth. The solar corona is the source of light and heat. So I'll just read you a bit about what it means. Scientists remain baffled by the fact that the sun's corona, especially its upper atmosphere, is much hotter than the solar surface or photosphere from which that light past the Earth is emitted. So that's back in 2001, 2002, right? And then this guy's still talking about it in 2011, that it's still baffled, right, on his blog. And then here we go. I Google it again and look at the most recent data. And that was from January the 24th, 2011. So here we are a year later. And it says scientists believe that somehow energy is coming up from the sun's surface and heating the corona, but the minimum temperature zone between the two makes this virtually impossible. So here we are a year later, and this is what they've come up with. Radiative heating of the solar corona. Since radiative losses comprise nearly all of the power losses in the corona, sunlight alone can explain the elevated temperatures in this region. The volume electron heating rate is proportional to density, and protons are assumed to be heated either by plasma waves or through collisions with electrons. And then what is the emerald tablet? This was another thing that came up on that page. The Emerald Tablet is an ancient artifact that reveals a profound spiritual technology which has survived to this day despite centuries of effort to suppress it. Encoded within the tablet's mysterious wording is a powerful formula that works in very specific and comprehensible steps on all levels of reality at once, the physical, the mental, and the spiritual, and shows us how to achieve personal transformation and even accelerate the evolution of our species. So that's where we're talking a lot in 2012 about doing meditations and ascending into a higher form of intellect. So, and here's a picture here of the new observations reveal that the sun's corona or outer atmosphere is heated by jets of gas, which may explain why the sun's corona is so much hotter than the sun's surface. Spacecraft saw evidence of coronal heating, left with close-up at right, just seconds after another craft detected jet activity. Credit NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory. And that's the most recent picture of the sun. And we see these all the time when we're looking at sunspots and stuff. So I just thought I'd bring that up. So this link here, the Marduk 4 17 Hertz, led to all this other stuff here. So I thought that'd be kind of cool. But we're going to stop that rabbit trail because I got more interesting stuff to look at.